Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing an after video on my 1975 Electrolux 302. Here's a machine. It's got some marks on it, even though it's had a clean, but it's not too bad. It is a 40 odd year old machine. Some bits that are broken on it as well, which I'll show you. We've got the on-off switch here at the top and the cable where it comes out, and here's the cable. It's quite a short cable, it's probably about 4 meters. But yeah, we've got the wheels on the back, and we've got the grill. It's quite broken in places. Underneath we've got the ratings plate, which is there, and these metal skids, and the part at the front where it goes on the carpet. I tried to polish this casing up as much as possible, but it's not the best really. Let's put the machine on its end, flick the bag door open. Inside we've got some mark there, which I don't know what that was. We've got a bag in here as well, which is actually a SIBO bag. And then we've got the cloth bag, which I've managed to get hold of as well. And the inside of this, which is quite dingy, but it is clean. So yeah, we've got a freshener in there, if I haven't said already. And yeah, this all just goes back in here like that. So yeah, just close that up. So what we'll do now, we'll find some tools, put some tools on it, and I'll show you it in action. So here I have some attachments on the machine. We've got some just black tools really, off of my Electrolux 350E. But yeah, they work at least. This would have had white tools originally. But anyways, let's show the machine in action. So yeah, it does run a little bit better, not much better, but you know, it works at least. But yeah, not much to complain about there. So let's just unplug it. I mean, the cord on this is very simple to wrap up. All it does is just wrap around the body, like so. And that is literally it. So, you know, I've got this plastic clip which is meant to clip in, but it's quite hard to do. That's it. There we go. So yeah, there is the Electrolux. Let's move that way. There's the Electrolux 302 cylinder vacuum cleaner. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.